Alright, what's up YouTube? So, back in the shed. This time I'm going to be making a Viking boat style thingy for my boys. I think they're going to love it. It's going to be a toy, but it's going to be floatable. It's going to be sick. It's going to be part of Rubbish Wood Challenge 21. Let's get into it. And so basically I made up a bit of a mix of mostly the white and a little bit of the red, just to try to get a colour that I thought was a little bit closer to the timber. It obviously doesn't have to be perfect, but at least it doesn't stand out as much as the white would and as much as the red would. So I think it'll kind of work. I'm just working it up now. Then I'm going to fill all that, and then yeah. What's up? So, all done now. Overall turned out pretty cool. I know I say that on like every video, but it's honestly how I feel. I feel like I overall achieved what I wanted to achieve. I made a boat from my mind. I had no idea. I was winging it. Overall, I think it definitely worked. Definitely could have spent some more time trying to make sure these carcass sort of lined up a little bit better, a bit more accurate, and maybe some more in between, so it was a bit of a smoother sort of curve, not so, and like these sort of go in a little bit where it shouldn't. But overall, yeah, it turns out really cool. And the idea of having this little top level where I could basically make like a bit of a air gap works really well, and because I puttied it really nicely and then epoxied over the top, has sealed it up, and so when it drops under the water it just boings straight back up. And it also means that it can sit really high on the water, which is what I wanted, so that the boys could sort of run after it in only, not a lot of water, so they don't have to be in a big sort of deep section of water. It can just sort of chug along on some pretty light little rapids and down little things, and sort of, yeah. So yeah, overall really happy. I think it's pretty cool. Boys love it. And so this is going to be my entry into the Rubbish Wood 21 challenge thingy, my bobby. And so this is all out of rubbish wood. The strips of pine from the outside were from the bottom section of a door that I had to cut off, like a solid core pine door, and so then just cut it up into strips and did everything I need to. The plywood was cut off something I did in the house, and I think this is Western red cedar, was something I found at the tip pile. And so yeah, that's it. If you want to go check out the other videos, link will be below, and if you want to go check out some other stuff, that'd be really awesome. Till the next one, peace.